যে কথাগুলো বলতে চাইছি সেটা আমি বাংলাতেই বলবো এবং আমার মেয়ে মানিকা সেটাকে ইংরেজিতে ট্রান্সলেট করে দেবে।
PC Sarkar will be saying now, he will be speaking in Bengali language because that is the best language in which he can express his love towards all of you. And to translate that, whatever he is saying to Bengali, I will take the mic from him from time to time.
আপনারা বুঝতেই পারছেন যে আমার শরীর খুব একটা ভালো নেই, কিন্তু তবুও আপনাদের ভালোবাসার আকর্ষণে আমি সোজা কলকাতা থেকে এখানে এসে গেছি।
Mr. PC Sarkar is saying that of late his health is not doing very well. I'm sure you can see, you all can see, but we do not know what magic you guys know, that you have done magic on Mr. PC Sarkar and have got him here to Kerala.
আমি আজকেই এনাদের থেকে চলে যাচ্ছি, চলে যাবো কালকে ভোর বেলায় কলকাতার জন্য। কিন্তু আমি না আসলে যাচ্ছি, আমি রয়ে গেলাম। বুকের বাঁদিকে যদি হাত দিয়ে রাখেন দেখবেন আপনার অন্তর সাইডিয়ে বলছে ঠিক 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 ঠিক।
Mr. Sarkar said that we had a lovely stay here in Kerala and we had a wonderful time with all of you, but like every good thing, this also will come to an end, and tomorrow morning we are flying back to Kolkata from Trivandrum. But we will be going away with a lot of love and affection for all of you in our hearts. If you touch your heart, you will see the tick, 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 tick happening, reminding all of us that we are all one.
আমি আবার তোমাদের প্রোগ্রাম দেখবো, আর এইবার তোমাদের যে ম্যাজিশিয়ান ম্যাজিক দেখাবো, ওই ম্যাজিকগুলো তুমি ধরতে পারেনি, ভীষণ চালাক। আমি পরের বার কোমর বেঁধে আসবো, একদম ধরে নেবো, তুমি তাড়াতাড়ি করে আরো ভালো ম্যাজিক দেখাও।
This time when we saw the students performing magic on stage, Mr. Sarkar is truly mesmerized, and he has a very special message for the person who was performing the illusions on stage, that we could not catch any of the magic that he was performing. He is truly brilliant. And very soon we will be coming here to visit his show again.
আমি যাচ্ছি না, আমি রইলাম। এই কথা আমি আগেও একবার বলেছি, কিন্তু পাকা পোক্ত ভাবে বলছি, আমি রইলাম আপনাদের স্বপ্নে, আপনাদের গল্পের মধ্যে, আপনাদের রূপকথা, আপনার সাহিত্য।
It is time for us to say goodbye because this trip is coming to an end. But please do remember that it is your love, your blessings, your presence, your everything that has made all of us a magician. Thank you very much.
아까부터 뭐라기 치는 방법을 너무세.
എന്റെ മനസ്സ് നിങ്ങളുടെ so that is the vote of thanks.
What do I say to Mrs. Sarkarji? The language, I don't know if how many of you people would have seen the 1982 movie of Amitabh Bachchan called Kuddar. I think that's the only time we came close to Bengali or learning Bengali. There's a song by Kishore Kumar saying Angrezi mein kehte hain I love you. And Bangla mein kehte hain Ami tumhako bhalubashi. Lots of love for you, sir. And lots of love for Gopalan sir for having come here. And I don't think magic dies anyway. Magic has been here for 2000 years, 3000 years and will survive for another millennia. People like you and Gopinath sir will ensure that magic is not confined to a person, it is a spirit, it's an idea which moves from person to person and goes beyond generations. As you said, the 9th generation has taken over. Similarly, the people out here, the magic that Gopinath Mudgal is doing in the lives of these young people is another form of magic. And I think Gopinath Mudgal leads the way in showing that magic is not just into some kind of tricks, it's in real life as well. And thanks to Mrs. Sarkarji for traveling all this distance. Lots of love for you from all of us. And thanks to Gokulam sir for being with us, for supporting us for all these events. And thank you to Jayashree ma'am and Menika. Thanks a lot.